So I'm going to first of all do the basic one, the basic formatting. So let's say I want to merge from A1 up until G1 as the question is saying. Open the one activity and work in the raised worksheet. This is the raised worksheet. Then it says change the headings in the cell A5 to H5 as shown in the example. So as you can see here, it has been highlighted or shaded, and then the text has been rotated. Now, it's already shaded, so the text must be rotated. Now, if you are to rotate a text, when you select them, you will find the alignment tab. From the home tab, there you see the alignment group. Then you will see this one, which is the orientation with the A and then B. Click on that one. We have angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise. So you can see. Then we have rotate up. And then we see rotate down. Now, if you don't see any of the options there, you go to format cell alignment. Then you're going to get this. So for the purpose of the examination, you can go to the cell alignment or just go there from the home tab. Choose this one, whatever that you are doing regarding the basic formatting, just go there. If you don't find what you need here, just go to format cell alignment. It's going to give you the format cell worksheet, whereby you will see the number, the alignment, the font, the border, the fill, and protection. Right. So now this one, we need to change it to rotate up, as we can see from the question. But then when you rotate up, you don't see all the text. So we can wrap the text and then we drag down so that everything will be visible. Right. So you must wrap the text so that everything will be visible. Then you widen the row. Now, work in the sheet 1 worksheet. Format the merge cell A1 as follows. So this is, okay, this is a different question. So let's say this one, we want to merge them. You select, and then you right click, and then you see format cell. Then you can find merge under the alignment, merge cell. Or alternatively, you can easily select, you type merge, the keyword. If the question is a merge and center. Don't try and be looking for, I know in examination, sometimes you struggle with where is the merge and center, you'll be going through it, wasting time. You can use the search and then move quickly, or just right click and then you choose format cell for the basic formatting. Now, this question wants us to choose 2 general worksheets, and then we do the following. So let's open the 2 general spreadsheet. Right, and then we use the sheet 1. Now the question says, we must format the A1 as follows. Fill the cell with a diagonal up shading style. So this one is merge, and we need to fill it with a diagonal up. Now you will ask yourself, where is the diagonal up? Like I told you, when you are filling, you go to the search, you can say format cell, or you can right click, you can say format cell. It takes you there, the keyword. Or you can go to this one and then you choose format cell alignment. Or under the alignment group or the font group, any of them, that arrow, click on it. Now the question says we must fill it. So you see fill and then diagonal up. It is part of the fill effect. Now when you're filling, we have the background, the normal filling. We have the pattern style, whereby they can ask you to choose any pattern style and then the color. And then the fill effect. That is where you see the diagonal up. And then it says the first color should be green. and then the second color should be orange. So the first color should be green. You choose this color. The second color should be orange. So this is the right orange, or you choose this one. Now, so they can be diagonal down from the corner, different shading style, and you click OK. So that is how we do that filling with the gradient fill. In other words, we call it the gradient fill. Now, data validation should be applied to cell G3.